crunchy, juicy, fresh and healthy. These are some of the terms one can use to describe cucumbers. They can be eaten as a snack, added to your salads or in a sandwich, or can be added to your smoothies. Extremely healthy and refreshing, cucumbers are rich in water and can provide fantastic benefits to people who are looking to lose weight. Cucumber belongs to the same family of squash, pumpkin and watermelon, and consists of 95% water that help keep you hydrated. Cucumbers are rich in various nutrients, vitamins, minerals, energy, and water. According to the USDA National Nutrient Database, cucumbers are a good source of potassium, phosphorus, vitamin C, and vitamin K. They also provide small amounts of iron, sodium, and B vitamins, riboflavin, niacin, and vitamin B6. Health benefits of cucumber. Packed with nutrients such as vitamin K, vitamin B, copper, potassium, vitamin C and manganese, consuming cucumber help avoid nutrient deficiencies and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, due to the presence of unique polyphenols and compounds. 1. Reduces stress. Cucumbers are rich in vitamins, especially vitamin B complex, which include vitamin B1, vitamin B5, and vitamin B7. These vitamins work together in relaxing your nervous system and help provide relief from the panic attack and stress-induced anxiety. 2. Manage weight loss. Cucumbers have become a necessary fruit to add to your weight loss diet plan. You need to remember that only eating cucumbers will not help in weight loss. However, consuming cucumber helps as it does not promote any weight gain and limits you from snacking on junk foods. 3. Improves brain health. Cucumbers contain an anti-inflammatory flavonoid that is great at promoting brain health. The flavonoid helps boosts the connectivity of your neurons, thereby improving your cognition. It will not only help in taking care of your memory but also will protect the nerve cells from age-related damage. 4. Improves digestion. Cucumbers are rich in both soluble fiber and water. Start a healthy habit by adding cucumbers in your salad with sesame seeds and apple cider vinegar. This is great for your digestive system as it helps prevent acid reflux. Cucumbers will also help reduce the pH levels in the stomach and will help combat constipation too. 5. Protects heart health. Cucumbers contain high levels of potassium, which is great at regulating blood pressure. Potassium acts as an electrolyte that helps regulate cellular functions. It also aids in taking care of the nervous system, muscle contractions, and cardiac functions as well. Also, the fiber content in cucumbers helps prevent the buildup of cholesterol in the arteries and prevent arterial blockages. 6. Improves bowel movement. One of the major benefits of regular consumption of cucumber is that it helps support regular bowel movements. Rich in water and soluble fiber content, cucumbers help improve stool consistency, prevent constipation, and help maintain regularity. It could also help increase bowel movement frequency while feeding the beneficial bacteria of the gut. 7. Eliminates toxins. Cucumbers are rich in water, making it a natural remedy to deal with dehydration or tiredness. Likewise, this nutritional property of cucumber makes it beneficial in getting rid of unwanted toxins present in your body. 8. Reduces cancer risk. Rich in antioxidants which help block oxidation that produces free radicals which can lead to several types of chronic illness, cucumber can be pointed out as being beneficial in preventing the onset of cancer. The detoxification property along with that of the antioxidant property of cucumber fights off the radical cells present in your body. 9. Improve kidney health. One of the other major benefits of consuming cucumber on a regular basis is that it helps lower the uric acid levels in your system, thus keeping your kidneys in good shape. It is also considered to be a natural remedy for cleansing kidneys, as it flushes out debris and dissolves small kidney stones. 10. Heals stomach ulcer. Cucumber eating benefits go deep down into the system. When it comes to stomach ulcers, the cooling property of the cucumber does a wonderful job. The alkalinity of cucumber helps heal stomach ulcers. Up to 2 glasses of cucumber juice can be consumed daily to get relief. 11. Regulates blood pressure. Loaded with fiber, potassium and magnesium, cucumber has gained a reputation of being very helpful in keeping blood pressures under control. Be it high blood pressure or low blood pressure, the cool cucumber is beneficial in both conditions. Cucumber and apple juice for healthy skin. Cucumber and apple juice when combined can do great wonders for your skin. Cucumbers hydrate the skin and apples have plenty of nutrients that will cleanse the skin and provide you with a blemish-free skin. Apples are rich in polyphenols which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to slow down the aging of the skin. This combination of the ingredients will make a great edible juice, and it is one of the best juices for skin complexion. How to make cucumber and apple juice for a healthy skin. Ingredients: 1 to 2 cucumbers, 1 apple. Method: wash and peel the cucumber and cut it into small pieces. Chop the apple into small pieces. Add the ingredients in the juicer and add 1/4 cup of water. Close the lid and juice it. Tip: drink cucumber and apple juice twice a week to garner most of the nutrients for a healthy and beautiful skin. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.